Hello YouTube. Today we got a product from Harbor Freight. It's a Pittsburgh professional 5-piece upholstery and trim tool set. Item number 99739. Has a limited lifetime warranty. So this toolkit, it's removing the trim and all the upholstery from the inside of the vehicle. It's been used before. We just took good care of it and keep it in the package. That's the back of the package. Made in China. I have to say, I feel pretty good. It's rubber, nice soft rubber. This red part is plastic, but yeah, this black part is rubber, and this is plastic, hard plastic, and this is the metal part. I mean, no rough edges, so it feels pretty good. I mean, it did a good job with the machine part. And here's the other one. I guess these are the smaller ones. Yeah, Harbor Freight does offer the cheaper plastic version of these. I got these because you get a little bit more out of them. I mean, they're not gonna break on you or anything. But yeah, Harbor Freight does sell the plastic ones. They sell like two types of plastic ones, I guess. And then they got the metal ones, which is these, the more expensive ones. But yeah, I mean, they've been doing okay. We used it a few times here and there. I believe we only used this one, and this one. That's the only one we've been using. These and this one I haven't used. But yeah, this is my quick review on this trim pry tool from Harbor Freight. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon. And we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.